Unit 14 Transportation in plants and circulation in animals. Important questions. Answer in a word or sentence. 1. Name two-layered protective covering of human heart. Pericardium. What is the shape of RBC in human blood? RBC are biconcave and disc-shaped. Why is the color of blood red? The presence of hemoglobin. Which kind of cells are found in the lymphocytes? White blood corpuscles. Name the heart valve associated with the major arteries leaving the ventricles. Semilunar valves. Mention the artery which supplies blood to the heart muscle. Coronary arteries. What causes the opening and closing of guard cells of stomata during transpiration? The opening and closing of the stomata is due to the change in turgidity of the guard cells. When water enters into the guard cell, they become turgid and the stoma open. When the guard cell loses water, it becomes flaccid and the stoma closes. What is cohesion? The force of attraction between the water molecule is called cohesion. Why is the circulation of man referred to as the double circulation? In human, blood passes twice through the heart to supply once to the body. Double circulation involves 1. Systemic circulation, 2. Pulmonary circulation. What is the importance of valves in heart? The valves in heart are muscular flap that regulates the flow of blood in a single direction. It prevents backflow of blood. Who discovered RH factor? Why was it named so? The RH factor was discovered by Landsteiner and Wiener in 1940 in rhesus monkey. Named the RH factor. How are arteries and veins structurally different from one another? Artery. Distributing vessel. Vein. Collecting vessel. Pink in color, red in color. Deep location, superficial in location. Blood flow with high pressure. Wall of artery is strong, thick and elastic. Wall of vein is weak, thin and non-elastic. All arteries carry oxygenated blood except pulmonary arteries. All veins carry deoxygenated blood except pulmonary veins. Internal valves are absent. Internal valves are present. Any 4 points. What is transpiration? Give the importance of transpiration. The loss of water from the aerial part of the plant in the form of vapor is called transpiration. Importance. Creates transpirational pull for transport of water. Supplies water for photosynthesis. Transport minerals from soil to all part of the plant. Cools the surface of the leaf by evaporation. Keep the cells turgid, hence maintains their shape. Functions of blood. Very important question. Transport of respiratory gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Transport of digested food material to different body cells. Transport of hormones. It maintains proper water balance in the body. Transport of nitrogenous excretory product like ammonia, urea and uric acid. It is involved in the protection of the body and defense against disease. It acts as a buffer and also helps in the regulation of pH and body temperature. Any 4 points. Unit 15 Nervous System. Important questions. Name the parts of the hind brain. Cerebellum, pons, medulla oblongata. What are the structure involved in the protection of the brain? Dura mater, arachnoid membrane, pia mater. Define reflex arc. The pathway taken by nerve impulse to accomplish reflex action is called reflex arc. With a neat label diagram, structure of neurons. Structure of neurons. Its parts are dendrites, nucleus, cyton, axon, nodes of Ranvier, myelin sheath, axon, terminal. Point number 1. A neuron consists of three basic parts, namely cyton, dendrites, axon. Cyton is called cell body orion. It has a central nucleus with abundant cytoplasm called neuroplasm. Dendrites are the numerous branched cytoplasmic process. They conduct nerve impulse towards the cyton. The axon is a single elongated cylinder projection. It carries impulse away from the cyton. Myelin sheath acts as an insulator and ensures the rapid transmission of nerve impulses. Information from one neuron can pass to another neuron through chemicals known as neurotransmitters. Classify neurons on its structure. 3. Unipolar neurons, bipolar neurons, multipolar neurons. Only one nerve process arises from the cyton, which act as both axon and dendron. It is found in early embryos but not in the adult. Bipolar neurons. The cyton gives rise to two nerve processes, of which one acts as axon while another acts as a dendron. Bipolar neurons are found in the retina of the eye and the olfactory epithelium of nasal chambers. Multipolar neurons. The cyton gives rise to many dendrons and an axon. Multipolar neurons found in the cerebral cortex of the brain.